Welcome to this presentation on the 3CX Hotel module. I'm Nick Gallia, the 3CX CEO, and I will be walking you through the main features of this new module. So what is the hotel module exactly? The 3CX Hotel module is an add-on for 3CX phone system that turns it into a full-featured hotel PBX. A hotel PBX is nothing more than a standard PBX with a few additional hotel-specific features. Traditional PBX vendors have charged astronomical prices for these features, to the extent that many hotels actually lease the PBX. With 3CX, hotels can eliminate high monthly lease payments and cut their phone bill by leveraging VoIP. The investment in 3CX can be earned back in a matter of months. In addition, management and staff want modern IP phone system features that 3CX can provide, whilst cutting costs at the same time. The hotel module provides the following functions. First of all, check-in and check-out of guests. This sets the guest name and unblocks the extension. On checkout, calls are billed, remaining voicemail messages deleted, and the extension is blocked for external calls. Receptionists can set a room to Do Not Disturb. It's possible to block external calls on a room so that when the room is not occupied, any misuse of the phone can be eliminated. The wake-up call feature allows receptionists to easily schedule wake-up calls for guests. Also, receptionists must be able to bill calls to a room and quickly see the overview of calls that have been made. The ability to show the guest name on the phone display is a nice feature, so that staff can greet guests with their name. Upon check-in, the guest name is set and any IP phone will be able to display the guest name. Handy for reception and restaurants. 3CX also provides billing information via CDR or SMDR. This allows call billing to be integrated with almost any hotel or billing software. The Maid Status feature allows housekeeping staff to set room status via the phone, whilst the minibar feature allows minibar staff to input minibar costs. The 3CX Hotel module has a web interface which allows hotel staff to perform all the hotel-related functions via a web browser. This means there is no software to install on any of the receptionist machines. 3CX Hotel module is installed on the same machine as 3CX phone system and runs on the same web server on which you have installed the 3CX Management Console. The 3CX Hotel module is available in two different versions. Without PMS integration, which stands for Property Management System. In this case, the web interface is used to perform all the hotel-related phone system functions. It's also available with hotel software or PMS integration. In this case, both the web interface and the hotel software can be used to perform the hotel-related functions. For example, a check-in or check-out performed from the hotel software will automatically trigger the appropriate actions on 3CX phone system. The basic module is priced at €750, whereas the module with PMS integration is priced at €2,000. 3CX can integrate with hotel software in a number of ways. First of all, via the 3CX protocol. This closely resembles the Mitel SX2000 PMS interface. Many hotel software packages integrate with Mitel. You can select Mitel SX2000 from the hotel software package, and this should then work seamlessly with 3CX. We also support the Fidelio protocol. Fidelio has many installations worldwide, and it comes in many versions. Most of them support the Fidelio 2.1 FIS protocol, which we support also. We also support the Lodging Link interface, which is a third-party middleware software that comes shipped with a number of hotel software packages. In this case, a fee has to be paid to Lodging Link and integration can be via the Lodging Link interface. It's also relatively easy to support additional hotel software. We can do this based on the business model of the installation. The hotel module can switch between the above integration options via a simple drop-down box in the configuration. No need to reinstall. Of course, all calls made by guests must be billed to their room. There are several ways to do this. Via CDR, call data record. In this case, 3CX outputs the costs to a file or to a TCP port. It can create a text file per call or one entry per call in a text file. Alternatively, it can send call data to a TCP port. It is possible to adjust the format of the output via an XML template. SMDR is similar, but it will wait for an inbound connection and then send call costing data. The SMDR option also allows a script to be run so that the call data can be processed before sending. The default SMDR format is Mitel SX 2000. Billing can also be done via the web interface. In this case, upon checkout, a dialog is shown with the calls made and the cost of the calls. So there is a great deal of flexibility in the billing data, allowing it to be interfaced with almost any hotel or call accounting software. Of course, most hotels already have analog phones installed in hotel rooms and even in service areas such as kitchen, stewarding, bars and so on. Replacing all these phones would be a major expense and hassle. Many times there is no Ethernet wiring to the rooms at all, and rooms often have multiple phones. By far the easiest solution is to reuse the analog phones using FXS channel banks. The Grandstream GXW4024 is a very cost-effective, high-density FXS gateway that can handle 24 analog phones at a go. These gateways would be placed where the current PBX is and will connect analog phones to the IP PBX. The gateway costs about $650 and is rack mountable. It has been fully tested with 3CX and we are working on making it provisionable. This image shows a sample deployment of 3CX. In this hotel, the rooms will continue to have analog phones via the use of FXS gateways. The reception and the restaurant get a number of IP phones so that they can see the guest name. Management also gets IP phones so that they can take advantage of modern IP phone system features. Powering this installation, of course, is 3CX, running on an existing server. And here you can see just how cost-effective 3CX can be. Because analog phones could be reused, as well as an existing server for 3CX to run on, total system cost, including hardware, could be kept at the $10,000 mark. This is very competitive compared to other hotel PBX systems. You will find more information and the manual of our hotel module on our website at this link. Thank you.